Hi students, warm greetings to you all. I am your maths mentor Valli. In this video we are going to see arithmetic progression in that exercise 2.5 third sum. Find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression whose nth terms are given below. First one, given that nth term Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2n. So first of all we can find the first term. First term means T1. So in the place of n we are going to substitute 1. So minus 3 plus 2 into 1. So that is minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So this is the first term. So the value of a is minus 1. In order to find the common difference, we want the next term T2, so that we have to find the difference between T2 and T1. So what is that? In the place of n we are going to substitute 2. So minus 3 plus 2 into 2. First do the multiplication and then this addition. So minus 3 plus 4. So 1. Now we have got the first term as well as the second term. As we all know that the difference formula is T2 minus T1. So that is 1 minus of minus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So the question is, first term is minus 1, difference is 2. Second sum, given that nth term is equal to 4 minus 7n. So first we can find the first term. So in the place of n we have to substitute 1. So 4 minus 7. So minus 3. So the first term is minus 3. In order to find the difference we have to find the second term. In the place of n we have to substitute 2. So 4 minus 14. So first do the multiplication then subtraction. So minus 10. So difference is T2 minus T1. So minus 10 minus of minus 3. So minus 10 plus 3. So minus 7. So the answer is the first term is minus 3. The second term is minus 7. Fourth sum, find the 19th term of an AP, minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, etc. Here from this sequence, that means this is an AP. So AP means surely the difference will be common. The first term T1, that is nothing but A is given as minus 11. Then we have to find the common difference D, T2 minus T1. So minus 15 minus of minus 11, that is equal to minus 15 plus 11. So that is minus 4. Now we know the general form, that is nth term, general form of an nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here they have asked us to find the 19th term. So T19 equal to a plus, see here n means n minus 1, 19 means 18d, that is 19 minus 1. So substitute the value of a, minus 11 plus 18 into minus 4. Substitute the value of d here, minus 4. So first do the multiplication then add. So minus 11 plus into minus, minus 72. So that is equal to minus 83. So the 19th term is minus 83. Fifth sum, which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1 is minus 54. Here they have given the nth term. We have to find which term, which number of the number of the term. So the first term is given as 16. Since it is an AP, surely the difference will be common. So D equal to T2 minus T1. So 11 minus 16. Here the T2 is 11, T1 is 16. So minus 5. Given that nth term is minus 54, we have to find the value of n. So substitute the formula. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 54. Substitute the values of A and D here. N minus 1 into D minus 5 equal to minus 54. So 16 minus into plus minus 5n minus into minus plus 5 equal to minus 54. 16 plus 5, 21 minus 5n equal to minus 54. Now keep the 5 minus 5n left side. We want to find the value of n. Minus 54 minus 21. So minus 5n equal to minus same sign. So we add and put the same sign. So 75. Minus minus get cancel. N equal to 75 by 5. So here the minus 54 is 15th term. Now sixth sum. Find the middle terms of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. 183. Okay. Now here the first term is 9. Since it is an arithmetic progression, the difference will be common. So T2 minus T1, T2 is 15, T1 is 9. So 15 minus 9, 6. Now here we have to find the number of terms. That means T1, T2, T3 likewise. Or otherwise, here we can take this as 183 as last term. That is L. Now in order to find the number of terms, we have a formula L minus A by D plus 1. So 183, last term is 183 minus first term 9 by D is 6 plus 1. So 183 minus 9 is 174 by 6 plus 1. 29 plus 1. So that is equal to 30. Now we have to find the middle term of an AP. The number of terms is 30. So here middle term will be 15 or 16. That is T15 or T16. So we have to find T15 and T16. So T15 is A plus 14D. T16 is A plus 15D. So substitute the corresponding values. 9 plus 14 into 6, that is equal to 93. Here 9 plus 15 into 6, that is equal to 99. The middle terms are 93 and 99. Seventh sum. If 9 times the 9th term is equal to the 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. Here 9 times means 9 into 9th term is T9. That is equal to 15 times 15th term, that is T15. We have to show that to prove 6 times 24th terms, that is T24, is equal to 0. This is given and this is to prove. So 9 into T9 means A plus 8D equal to 15 into T15 means A plus 14D. So 9A plus 9A plus 72D equal to 15A plus 210D. Bring all the terms to one side. 9A plus 72D minus 15A minus 210D equal to 0. So 9A minus 15A minus 6A, 72D minus 210D, 138D equal to 0. So we can make this as all, since all the terms are negative, we can make it into positive. 6A plus 138D equal to 0. Take 6 outside. So what is that? A plus 23D equal to 0. This is nothing but 6 into T24 equal to 0. So hence proved. The sum, if 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. So given that these terms are in AP means always the difference is common. Okay, now this is T1, this is second term T2, this is third term T3. Now since 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, the difference is common. That means difference is same. Now we all know that when we find the difference between the successive terms, that is the difference. So here T2 minus T1 will be equal to T3 minus T2. T2 is 18 minus k minus of 3 plus k equal to T3 is 5k plus 1 minus of 18 minus k. Now simplifying this, 18 minus k minus 3 minus into plus minus k equal to 5k plus 1 minus 18 minus into minus plus k. Bring all the k to one side and numerical values to right hand side. So minus k minus 2k. Here 5k plus k 6k. So since it is a positive value, if I take to the other side it becomes negative. So minus 6k. Here 18 minus 3 15, and here 1 minus 18 minus 17 minus 15. So minus 8k equal to minus 32. Minus minus get cancelled. So k equal to 32 by 8. Ninth sum, find x, y and z given that the numbers x, 10, y, 24, z are in AP. Since these terms are in AP, the difference must be common. So here this is T1, T2 is 10, T3 is y, T4 is 24, T5 is z. Okay, now difference. T2 minus T1, that is 10 minus x. Next difference is T3 minus T2. So y minus 10. So here T4 minus T3. So 24 minus y. Next difference is T5 minus T4, that is z minus 24. Have this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Since the numbers are in AP, the differences will be equal. Differences is common. So here in the second and third equations, y is there. So we can equate 2 and 3. So y minus 10 equal to 24 minus y. Bring this y to one side. So y plus y equal to 24 plus 10. So 2y equal to 34. Y equal to 34 by 2. So y value is 17 from 1 and 2. 10 minus x equal to y minus 10. Substituting the value of y here as 17, 10 minus x equal to 17 minus 10. So 10 minus x equal to 7 minus x equal to 10 minus 10. Minus x equal to 7 minus 10, minus x equal to minus 3, minus minus get cancelled, so x value is 3. Now here we can compare 1 and 4. So from 1 and 4, 10 minus x equal to z minus 24. 10 minus x equal to z minus 24. So 10 minus x equal to z minus 24. So minus x substituting the value of x as 3. 10 minus x equal to z minus 24. So 7 equal to z minus 24. So z equal to 7 plus 24. So that is 31. So value of z is 31.